Hey, this is Paul. Welcome to the Mound Chronicles. Hope you're doing well. So today we're going to do a review of the Tacticool Firepit. Back in about 3 years ago, I went in search of a fire pit that met three criteria. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know I'm real big on three. So first of all, I had to have a fire pit that I could use on gas because I didn't want to start a fire. It had to be reasonably priced, and it had to be built well. As a side effect, I found Tacticool Firepits. They're made in Southern California by vets. Great product, reasonably priced, and it's been solid for 3 years, and that's what this review is about. There is an associate link in my below, and if you take a look at it, it'll link over to Taticool's Firepit. If you're interested in it, click on it. Rock solid. Thanks for watching the review. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you. Welcome to the Mound Chronicles, where the spirit of adventure comes alive. I'm thrilled to have you join our journey into the great outdoors. I'm Paul Piazza. I'm your guide through the wilderness and the storyteller behind the Mound Chronicles. I hope you share in our love and appreciation of what this great world has to offer. Here we live in three simple principles: live, learn, and explore. Live, immerse yourself in the thrill of the moment, whether it be overlanding, exploring unique ghost towns, or simply enjoying the serenity of nature. We believe in living life to its fullest. Learn, cultivate that childlike curiosity. Every adventure is an opportunity to learn and discover something new. From overlanding trips to mastering trail navigation, we're a constant journey of learning and growing. Explore. Be comfortable with the uncomfortable. Venture into the unknown. Our chronicles are a testament to the places we've been and the stories waiting to be untold. Join us as we explore the hidden trails to the pristine lakes and the mysterious places this great nation has to offer. And of course, what adventure would be successful without proper planning and the right gear? We'll be showcasing some of the tools of the trade along our journeys. I truly hope you enjoy our chronicles and the journey that my wife and I travel through during our overlanding adventures. Thanks for watching. One of my first videos I did when I started the channel was the Tacticool Firepit. Did that about 3 years ago. I've had the same Tacticool Firepit now for that long. Got the stand for it, got a bag for it, and this extended hose. I absolutely love this fire pit. It's lasted. I had broken up wood. I thought I was going to light a fire. Ranger came by earlier and said, "We appreciate you didn't do fires." Like, not a problem. I broke it out to Tacticool because I use it, especially during the summertime when I want a fire or I want some ambience, light. Fire just adds to it. It makes it really nice. What I love about Tacticool when I looked for it was it's an American-made company. They're actually made in Southern California. Talk about knowing how to do fire pits somewhere where you don't want to fire. Definitely San Diego. That area is it. Made by veterans. So it's manufactured here, made by people that were in the military, built with good quality. I've had it for 3 years. This thing has just rocked. You can see here right now I have it on low. This thing can crank up. If you want a fire and you have the gas, you can get a fire going. I don't really like fires that big when I don't need to, so I keep it fairly low. I just dial it down and keep a low fire. But this thing throws off some good heat. One of the things I did early on with is I put some rocks in there. This is only the single burner one. They make a new one that's dual burner. It has 2 burners, a little bit bigger. They even make a big one that's like a 20 millimeter ammo can that if you really want to have a fire, you could have a fire. It comes with a lid, came with a nice carrying bag, and the option I get was pretty reasonable at the time I purchased it. So when I looked at the fire pits, I looked at many different fire pits. I looked at the Ignic. I looked at like 3 or 4 others, and they were like $300-400. I'm like, I could go build one for them. When I looked at building one, they sell a build kit where you could build your own if you wanted to, which I thought was really cool. But I ended up buying it instead because I just didn't want to put it all together and have something blow up on me. That was my fear. So I chose this one, and the price was reasonable. Good fire pit. I've been really, really happy with it, and it's something I'd recommend everybody take a look at. So thanks for watching today's video on the Tacticool Firepit. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comments below. I'd love to hear what type of fire pits you're using, how you use them. And I do appreciate, remember, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. We do appreciate it. And thanks for watching the Mound Chronicles. Take care now. Bye-bye.